The ADC of UiFlow2 is used to enhance the system's perception capability, capable of converting analog signals into digital signals for the processor to recognize and process. In the function expansion on the left, expand hardware. Select the hardware ADC function that comes with the device, and click Confirm to load the module. Under the hardware directory in the Blockly list, you can see the loaded ADC Blockly module. Drag the ADC module to the workspace. After initializing the ADC function module, development programming can be carried out. Next, we will demonstrate through a case how to use CORES3 in conjunction with the unit angle module to obtain the ADC reading of the knob.